the greatest affiliate marketing tips on the internet. So just what is going on with affiliate marketing in this day and age? With everything else going on in your life, it can be nearly impossible to keep track of the latest trends and information. Here in this video you will find some of the most important information on affiliate marketing that you have been looking for. Nothing seems to sell a product quite as well as scarcity. When a customer believes he or she only has a few minutes to get the product at the list price before the deal is no longer available, they're over 3 times as likely to act. Use this technique in your affiliate marketing and make sure you instill a sense of urgency in customers. Make sure you're being savvy with your affiliate advertising. Simply throwing up ads at random will be a turnoff to many clients. Make sure the theme of the ads resonate with your customers, and complements the overall tone of your website. If your website is geared towards customers who are avid hunters, for example, make sure the affiliate ads that you choose are connected in some way with that content on your site. Form a plan. Much like you would for anything else that you undertake, sit down and come up with a simple marketing plan. Who do you know that can help you spread the word about your new site? How can you get your name out there for people to see? In writing reviews for affiliate marketing, make your reviews visually appealing. That is, make sure your blog or site has a pleasing design, and use photos, graphics and/or videos to keep your reviews entertaining and break up text. Part of earning people's trust and esteem is giving them a pleasant experience, and the visual aspect of your reviews is an important contributor to that. People are visual creatures, so don't make it a strain or a pain to read your reviews, and people will be more willing to keep watching. In conclusion, it is definitely difficult to stay on top of all of the latest tips and tricks coming out about affiliate marketing. To make matters worse, information is constantly changing, making it nearly impossible to be an expert unless you make it a point to keep yourself up to date. Hopefully you found this video interesting, informative, and were able to learn a couple of new things. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.